BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. Hello, my friends. We are going to draw a unicorn ice cream. Let's get started.
Ice cream, oh so cool. Scoop it up like
Do you like ice cream?
color swirl.
I love it so much.
Take a chance. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry too. So many choices, what to do. Sprinkles on top, a cherry so bright. Every bite is pure delight. Ice cream, sweet delight. Satisfy your craving day or night. Melting in the summer sun. Ice cream, it's so much fun. Yum, yum, yum. Pink and purple swirl so bright. Sprinkles shining, what a sight. Unicorn ice cream, yummy to see. The sweetest treat for you and me. Whipped cream clouds and a cherry so red. A magical hoard on a sugar cone bed. Unicorn ice cream, a dream come true. Every step is a wish for you. Every bite is pure delight. Ice cream, sweet delight. It makes you want to fly.
Gold color.
Creamy swirls of vanilla delight.
Black.
Every spoonful sparkles so bright. Marshmallow magic, a fluffy surprise. This treat is like magic for your eyes.
Red. Pink. Yellow. Pink.
Chocolate swirls and candy so sweet.
Blue.
Unicorn treat that can't be beat. Gummy bear sprinkles a rainbow
Green.
so bright. Unicorn ice cream day and night.
Red.
Green clouds and a cherry so red. A magical horn on a sugar cone bed. Unicorn ice cream, a dream come true.
Yellow.
Bite is a wish for
Green.
ice cream.
Blue.
Oh so cool.
Pink.
Scoop it up like a fool. Color swirl.
Jade blue color.
In a cone or a dish, take a chance. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry too. So many choices, what to do. Sprinkles on top, a cherry so bright. Every bite is pure delight. Ice cream, sweet delight. Satisfy your craving day or night. Melting in the summer sun. Ice cream, it's so much fun. Yum, yum, yum.
Yellow.
Pink and purple swirl so bright. Sprinkles shining.
Orange.
What a sight. Unicorn ice cream, yummy to see. The sweetest treat for you and me. Whipped cream clouds and a cherry so red.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.